Another day, another story. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks on staying healthy and living a fulfilling life. In this video, we will be discussing some great health tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine. By following these tips, you can achieve optimal health and maintain a healthy lifestyle. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Exercise regularly. The first and foremost tip for maintaining good health is to exercise regularly. Exercise not only helps you stay in shape, but it also has numerous other benefits such as reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise 5 days a week. This can include activities such as walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or weightlifting. Tip 2. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet is essential for maintaining good health. Make sure to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated and trans fats. Also, make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Tip 3. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. This helps your body repair and rejuvenate, and also helps you feel more alert and focused during the day. Tip 4. Manage stress. Stress can have a significant impact on your health. Learning how to manage stress effectively can help you feel more relaxed and calm. Try meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to help you manage stress. Tip 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for good health. Drinking enough water helps to flush toxins out of your body, aids digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and more if you are exercising or in hot weather. Tip 6. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can have detrimental effects on your health. Limit your alcohol intake to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Tip 7. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable death worldwide. Quitting smoking can have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Tip 8. Practice safe sex. Practicing safe sex is essential for preventing sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and unplanned pregnancies. Use condoms or other forms of contraception to protect yourself and your partner. Tip 9. Get regular checkups. Regular checkups with your doctor or healthcare provider are essential for maintaining good health. Make sure to get regular screenings for conditions such as cancer, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Tip 10. Stay connected with friends and family. Staying connected with friends and family is essential for maintaining good mental health. Social support can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Conclusion. So there you have it, 10 great health tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine to achieve optimal health and well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, so start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe our channel for more health informative videos. See you in the next video.